Okay people, hello, it's another week. I am back, surprisingly. Hopefully it's more regular. And I already have an idea for next week that I'm working on and should also be up. Anyway, hello, it's Friday. I'm back. It's great, it's crazy. Today I'm doing something that I have wanted to do for quite some time. I am going to be cleaning out my closet because there's a lot of clothes in there that I don't really love or wear. And I open my closet every morning and I'm like, I have nothing to wear, even though there's like probably like 100 items right in front of my face. I'm not interested in wearing a lot of them, so I'm gonna clean some out and make some room for more stuff in my closet. This is also part of like a big room cleaning that I'm doing. I'm not gonna show you because it's not done, but I have spent hours and hours over the past few days cleaning out my room, like decluttering things that are taking up space or, you know, downsizing on things because I am going to be moving out in like a year or so. I know it's pretty far into the future, but I am going to accumulate more things, and I think just cutting down as I go is a lot better and will be a lot less stressful in the end when I have to move everything out of here. But yeah, it's also so much less stress when there's still things on the floor and it's still a mess in here, but when I came in here last night to go to bed, like I could feel how much more relieved I was because everything has been cleaned up and organized. It's just that mental realization that things are a lot cleaner that's making me very, very happy. So, yeah, I'm not gonna ramble any longer. Let's just get into it, I guess.
So what I'm going to do with these clothes is, my friends are coming over Saturday, so I'm going to ask them, like, if they want anything, and the rest I'll just take to Goodwill on Saturday. Okay. Also, excuse the noise. It's ridiculously hot in here, and I have a fan on because I was sweating when I had it off. First thing I have is this huge Chicago sweatshirt. They did not accept me, but it was like $80, so we're keeping that. This thing, it's made out of like a really cheap material. Also, the buttons have broken. It's just not flattering with this weird tail thing going on. This one, the first item, first thing goodbye to. I mean it's cute in theory, like it's vampy, piratey, but it's too much junior year Ashley, and I have graduated, so we don't need her anymore. Okay, next is this skirt. It's also shorts. I don't really like this. It's not like a very good skirt shape. Next I have a giant oversized plaid. Once again, getting rid of this. This is too much like sophomore, excuse me. This is too much like sophomore, junior year Ashley to hold on to. Okay, Malibu Barbie tank top. This fits hella awkwardly, but also it's like a thing with my friends, we have matching ones, so keeping that. There's another button up, but this one is like actually my size, and I wear it, I don't know, I think it's kind of funky. Keeping it. This is my favorite though. I think this might be my favorite article of clothing that I own. It's this black skirt. It's like a pencil skirt. It's so cute. I wear this for like all my formal events. It's got like a little gold zipper. It's so cute. It goes well with so many tops. Look at this. I have a problematic hoodie. It's from a podcast that my dad listens to. And I think I got this like literally. I had already reached my liberal awakening. Yeah, I have to keep it though. My dad would be like, "Where did it go?" Oh, I think I did live then. That skirt was my favorite piece of clothing. This is my pride and joy. It's a Harley Davidson jacket. It's look at that. Like it's suede. It's beautiful. It's so bulky though. Definitely. Pirate pants. These are from my weird girl era. They're like swishy pants. They're like a weird length though. They go like that long. I hate to say it, but I'm giving away the pirate pants. Ooh, it's giving dumb and father. No. Okay, I think I got rid of a fair amount from this side of the closet. Well, it's kind of hard to tell, like, no, it's a pretty big stack. This is the stack right here. This is stuff that needs to be folded. I think I got rid of quite a few. It looks smaller, okay? That's what she said. Now we're gonna go to the other side of the closet. Yay! Right off the bat, this is a little upstairs overall dress. It was $1. Now that I put it on, because that's where I buy all my clothes apparently. It doesn't fit me right. My hips are too wide, and so it. Go bye bye. It's not done. I like that one. It's kind of cute. It's got flowers on the back. Another one. It's like a checkered baby doll dress. I kind of like this, but then again, it's like no, I do like this. It's a winter dress. I like it. Here's this. This is like a tank top dress. It is never really good because I got the boobas and it doesn't look good, and I'll put it backwards. But it's like this Harry Potter Marauders math dress. It's just, no. The gritty dress. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. It's doesn't fit me, and I broke the zipper trying to get into it. But look at how pretty that is. This does not do it justice, but it's like this shimmery purple blue, feeling very midnight. I think I may have to keep this and like lose 30 pounds. Which I want to go anyway, so this is the inspiration to lose 30 pounds right here. This is fun. So I have a bunch of stuff in this side of the closet that needs to be cleaned out. I have a ton of t-shirts and I'm gonna get like cloth bins to organize these. And a ton of other stuff in here, so let's just have at it. Oh, these pants are my enemy. I got these pants, they're really cute. They're like a ribbed, layered pants. Except A, they're way too long for my legs, and B, they have like this weird lace up top. Like there's no elastic in this at all. They're just giant. Someone else will enjoy these. Someone much taller and much thinner. I love these pants. I will show you how much I love these pants. There's a hole in the butt, and for that reason, I'd stitched these up so many times, but I think it is now time to throw them away. That's gonna make me another pair though, because I love them. Just my feet are just hanging out here. Oh, that was so close. Oh, I wouldn't keep this because this is just like a school spirit shirt, but there's a story behind it, so keeping that. I don't think this is even my shirt. It just kind of showed up one day. Please, if you're watching this and this is your shirt, save it before it goes to Goodwill. And then here's my shirt that's like 50 years old. It's got holes and stains and runs in it. But it's, let me just show you. I don't know why I keep smelling things, but it's like a Disney, like America's Bicentennial shirt, and it's just, I want to keep it until it's 50. That's all I want from it. Is it going to be falling apart by then? Yeah, but it's from 1976, and it's so soft. This is like the softest shirt you could imagine. Pretty much done now. There's just a few miscellaneous items that I'm gonna give away that I didn't want to sit on the floor with my dogs out to give away. Look, I just closed my move ring. Oh, it doesn't show you. I just closed my move ring. Yay for me. All that climbing on the floor like a gremlin really paid off. Just a few miscellaneous items that were in the drawer below the one with the t-shirts. That I'm just gonna give away. Here are these swimsuit bottoms. I don't like them. They didn't go as well with the top as I thought. And also, there's like some weird discoloration that some of the reviews online said was happening with their bottoms too. And I was like, oh, I had good luck with online shopping. We did not this time. It's a bust. It's this swimsuit that I had since I was a child. I don't know why I still have it because it clearly does not fit.
Then I have this other swimsuit top that I got a couple years ago. Also doesn't fit, but it's so cute. It just doesn't fit. And then this is the last item. This is like a little white lacy bralette situation. But it doesn't have it underwire, so it doesn't fit too well. It just kind of shows some under boob, and we don't love that. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some organization products when I have my paycheck, and hopefully my closet is ready for some new clothes. That's the hope. But I will see you. That was so weird. I will see you later.